Guys, you're all welcome once more to Just the Chat. I am Fearless. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a daily analysis on 35 index. Okay, so I'm going to be doing analysis every day. Then weekly, I'm going to also be doing weekly analysis so that you can, at least from my own point of view, you can cross check whatever analysis you've done and make corrections, or you make yours more comprehensive, giving you a confluence for you to take trades. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be doing analysis on 2075 index. As you can currently see, you are great that 25 index has been on a sell for some days now. That was, I think I was able to just take only one trade on this sell. It was so painful, but at least it was profitable. I was able to go in after a breakout. Currently what you are seeing here, 75 index has been doing some movement, but if you see something, excuse me, let me show you something. See, whenever it gets to this top, are you seeing this point here? Whenever it gets here, are you seeing this point here? Whenever it gets here, are you seeing, whenever it gets to these tops, it always goes down. So you can actually say this is a what? This is a triple top already. And when it got here, it created something. It created a what? A clear head and shoulder pattern. A clear head and shoulders. What do I mean by clear head and shoulder pattern? These are the head and shoulders, okay? This is it. You have the head here. Then you have the shoulders, these are the head and shoulder patterns. Then after it created this, though I saw it, but I think I was busy with other index, and then see what happened. The market drastically fell down. Look at this Marabuzo candles. Are you seeing these Marabuzo candles that actually came down? I'm referring to these candles. Okay, excuse me, let me take these things out, okay? Okay. So I'm referring to this candle. Are you seeing this Marabuzo candle that dragged down and broke here? So upon seeing this candle, this was my entry, though on lower time frame. Though as I am more of a day trader, as a day trader, what do? You go to your daily time frame to look at the trend of the market, look at possible points where the trend may reverse or come down. Then what do? Then you go down to what? You go down to lower time frame for your entry so that you can have a what? A very low stop loss. You get my point, okay? So currently now I am seeing a buy movement or this sell coming to a point of rest. As you can see at this point here, it has created a candle already, a doji candle. Are you seeing this candle that has created a doji candle? What does this mean? It's simply telling you that, see, all the bears are currently resting or they are tired of this movement. So the bulls are about to either take the movement or do some retracement before the sales continues. Though already I'm already on this buy. I'm in profit already. So I'm going to tell you why I take the buy. I'm going to be telling you the next move here you should look at for if you want to either short this market or go long. Okay. So and I will be giving you a reason why you should do why you should go short or why you should go long. But then there are certain things you must see before you take these decisions. So watch me closely, okay? Let me take these things out. Okay, just hold on, let me take them out. Okay, so we have seen already that we have seen a doji candle here already. So let us go to a lower time frame. Let us go to something like half four. Let's go to half four. Let's wait for the charts to load. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more useful content to be coming in, not just on synthentic index, but on the forex market. I'm going to be doing analysis every week on almost all the major pairs and all the major synthentic. So you can currently, this is currently our four. Are you seeing what happened here? Are you seeing what happened? Patiently waiting for price to even get to this point. That will fetch you what? Enough profit. Are you seeing the clear head and shoulder pattern it created there before it fell down? Though I missed this trade, but I was able to go in here. This was my entry point then. But though I got that entry from 30 minutes time frame after the breakout of what? After the breakout of this support here. After the way I saw it drastically broke down on her fall. So I knew that whenever the daily candle was created, I'm going to see a little retracement. When I saw this, I triggered entered, so I got that at this point. But currently, see what is happening here. See what is happening here. So there's something that's currently creating here. Let me show you. Let us go down to a lower time frame to show you what is currently happening. Something is cooking. They're already cooking something here, but then you should watch out. You should be very careful as well. I am foreseeing a buy movement up to what? Up to this point. Up to come in. Let me bring in my okay. Come in. Let me bring in Let me bring in a 2 here. I'm seeing a buy movement up to this point. Up to this point. This is currently our one time frame. This is my take profit. I'm seeing a buy up to this movement. I'm expecting something like this. Just hold on, okay? I'm expecting something like this, okay? Though if you want to go into this buy, I think it's already late. You have to wait for retracement. I'm expecting something like this. I'm expecting a movement like this, a movement like this, then a little breakout above here, then market falls down back, or it breaks above here and retests here, then before it continues. But you have to be very, very, very careful when it comes to these critical situations, or when it comes to these positions or these zones in the market, because it might want to what play with your emotions. Okay, that is why it is very, very, very important you master what your trading psychology. So let us go down to a lower time frame. Let us go to 30 minutes where I'll be explaining everything for you. It is still loading. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more useful videos will be coming in. You may be wondering that seeing this upon seeing this candle here, or I mean this movement here, you may be seeing this is a double top. The market is going to fall down, but I don't think so. I don't think this fall will last long. This price is going to break above here. This price is still going to break above these zones. This price is going to break above these zones. If you let us zoom out, let us zoom out something like this. Yeah, good one. Yeah, since look at what it is. Look at what it's creating already. Watch me closely, then you see what I'm seeing. This is what is the market is already creating this. It gave a kind of a W pattern here. Are you seeing this? It went up, it came down without getting back to that low. Now it's going back up. I'm expecting it like it is going to continue like this, like this. It's going to continue like this till it gets here before it's going to decide its next move. So for a sell, the best points to wait for a sell for volatility 75 index currently. Come here, let me show you the best point to wait for this sell is here. If you want to ride along with the sell, though you must wait for a what? For a good what? A good market structure. You must wait for a good market structure before you actually what enter this sell, because this sell might just fade all the way from this point. Okay, this is, are you seeing what it's doing? It got here. See, are you seeing what it is? Currently what it's creating? See, it got here, went up, broke above this point, dragged down without getting back to here, and then it went up. It's coming down a little bit, and I'm expecting this price is going to do what? Move up back here. I'm already on this trade all the way from here. I took this trade from here, from this candle here. Yeah, that was where I entered from, and I'm expecting price to get to here. Though my profit is a few pips before this point here. So what should be doing currently? What should be anticipating? What should be waiting for? It's very, 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 very important you wait for price at this point for either a sell or for a buy. What do I mean for a sell? You should be looking at for those two things. When price gets here and then you see rejection candle, you see a nice rejection candle. At this point, you should be expecting something like a shooting star or a bearish engulfing. I'm referring to day traders, okay? I am referring to what? Day traders. This video is meant for day traders. I'm referring to day traders, okay? So when price gets here, you see any candlesticks like um a bearish engulfing, a shooting star, and your stop loss is very, very low, don't hesitate to take the trade. But when price gets here without creating any candle, you see price massively broke above here with some massive strength, and it comes back here for retracement. Don't forget the sell is fading off. The sell is already fading off. When if price can break above here with some strength, just know that the strength for this sell is fading off. And there are other reasons why this sell might fade off from here. But though I'm expecting this price to go down a little after coming here, I'm expecting after when it gets here, it's going to still fall down a little before we can see a massive buy. The reason why I'm saying that, though I'm already on this sell, I'm already on this buy. Sorry, I'm already on this buy. Okay, this was where I took the trade from. When the market was falling down, there was a breakout. There was a point here. Are you seeing this one? When the price broke out from here, I waited for a retracement. This was the daily candle opened at this point. Then it's retraced back upward. I was expecting a double top here. See what it did? It went few pips. Let me zoom in. Are you seeing what it did? Okay, excuse me. Are you seeing what it did? It went few pips above here. Are you seeing? It went few pips above here before it fell down. But though I was on that trade, I was on this sell. just kissed and fell down, and the hit might take profit. So since then, I've been waiting for a good point to actually take the sell, but currently I am on this buy. I'm expecting what? I'm expecting price to do what? To move up to this point before we can seal a sell. Okay, so watch out for this point. The reason why I'm saying this buy may be very massive when price goes few pips below here. Let me show you. Okay, just hold on. Let's go to our 4. Okay, no, our 4. Let's make it our 4. Let's go to 4 hours charts. Okay, so you can see what I'm saying. So this is currently our 4. See what is happening here. Let me show you. So I'm going to be dropping more videos on all analysis. Okay, so that you can add them to yours and what and be more profitable. Okay, so this is the first point here. This is the first point. Are you seeing what happened? This is the first point. Second point here. This one now is made. This one might create what the third point. If you draw a trend line, if you are using a trend line, you see that currently market is on a, this point here is on a trend line. Let me show you what I'm saying. Just hold on. Okay, I want to show you something. I want to show you something. Okay, not this. Okay, for those who don't know synthentic index, if you want to trade synthentic index, I will drop a link on this video so you can register and do what and trade synthentic index. Just register and you can actually do what you can trade synthentic index. This index they are different from the forex pairs. They don't close. They don't have any closing period like the forex market. Though I trade the forex and the synthetic, and even the crypto market, I trade all of them. I trade all of them. So I will be dropping analysis on almost all market, both the crypto market. I will be dropping analysis on them as well. Okay, are you seeing this? This was the first, second, and third touch. So this buy what? This buy may be very massive. If price can do what? If price can break above here, this buy will be very massive if only what price breaks above here. But for now, this price is going to move up to here, and I'm very sure of that. Just have to watch it and see what happens. Okay, just watch and see what happens. So let us wait and see the outcome of this analysis. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button now if you are new to this channel. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to share with your friends and share with your loved ones. Okay, if you want to trade synthentic index, it's very simple. I will drop the link on the description of this video. You can actually use this broker to actually trade what trade synthentic index and trade what your financial market, which is the forex market. Okay, you can use the same broker to trade it. I will drop it on the description of this video now so you can register. And then if you want to trade synthetic, if you want to trade the forex market separately, I'll also drop a link on the video so you can register and what and trade. Okay, for now, remain blessed. Bye for now. Okay, until we meet again. Don't forget, always be patient with the chart. Always be patient for market to get to your point of value. It is very, very important. Master what? Master patience. It will help you a lot. Bye for now.